Think of the council's budget like a cake, with each service area getting a slice. Each year we get money from the Welsh Government and income from the council tax and services like leisure which make up our budget. This is RCT's cake for 2017-18. The slice missing is what is called the budget gap, which was initially over £21 million. However, thanks to the better than expected provisional settlement from the Welsh Government, our commitment to deliver £6 million worth of efficiencies to protect frontline services and savings already made as a result of the proactive approach taken in recent years, the estimated budget gap has now been reduced to less than £3 million. We want your help to close the gap to make sure we can maintain services at their current level. You can let us know how you would close the budget gap, what you think about council tax levels and service investment priorities by completing the budget simulator or coming along to one of our engagement events.